Today, I'm going to show you how to make Japanese curry udon. Curry udon is a Japanese dish that combines Japanese curry and udon noodles. Here are the popular Japanese groceries that you can get in the USA. Japanese curry mix is becoming more popular outside Japan. I have seen these items at the regular American supermarkets like Kroger's or Publix. It's so tasty and super easy to make Japanese curry. If you haven't tried it, I highly recommend it. This is dashi or a Bonito Soup Stock. It gives dishes umami flavor and makes everything delicious. Hondashi is the most popular brand. If you are a vegetarian, Chinese mushroom seasonings are good alternatives. They look a little pricey at the glance, but we only use 1 teaspoon of it each time, and it lasts so long in the shelf. There are many different kinds of soy sauce, but I recommend Kikkoman all-purpose soy sauce. It is the most popular brand and it's versatile. The mirin is also an essential Japanese ingredient. It gives the dishes a little bit of sweetness. Alright, let's cook. Slice 1/4 of an onion. Cut 1/3 of a carrot into small pieces. Cut off the mushroom base. Cut chicken into small pieces. Put some oils in a pot. Cook chicken. When the chicken starts turning white, add other ingredients. Stir fry for a few minutes. Add 2.5 cups of water. Bring it to a boil. One teaspoon of Bonito Soup Stock or dashi. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 2 tablespoons of mirin. Add 1 block of Japanese curry mix. Cook with medium heat for 5 minutes. Occasionally stir the soup to make sure the curry mix dissolves. In the meantime, let's cook noodles. Put frozen udon noodles and hot water in a pot. Boil the noodles with medium heat for about 3 minutes. Drain the water. Cut green onions into small pieces. Dissolve 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in 100 ml of water. Add green onions and cornstarch water to the soup and cook for about 3 minutes to make the soup thicker. Add noodles to the soup and mix everything well. That's it. Delicious curry udon is ready. Enjoy!